Welcome to our demo video for harnessing waste heat via the Peltier effect for sustainable energy generation. Research problem. The research addressed the challenge of efficiency converting waste heat from everyday devices into usable electricity using Peltier effect. Heat waste. A significant amount of energy from machines, electronics, and industrial processes is lost as waste heat. Important statics. In Qatar, AC systems use about 70 to 80% of home electricity, and most of their heat is wasted. Example, if 1 megawatt of the heat were captured with Peltier models, it could produce around 8.76 gigawatt hours of electricity in a year. The problem can be addressed by using Peltier modules to capture and convert waste heat into electricity, providing a sustainable way to get benefit from lost energy. What is Peltier device? It is a device that can generate voltage when there is a temperature difference across its two sides, as it causes electrons to move, creating electrical potential. Experimental setup. Block diagram of the system. A heater is used as the heat source, with a radiator attached to absorb and transfer the heat. Water pump to transfer hot water to Peltier module. Peltier modules. Fan to cool the water block side. Water block, one side attached to a fan, other side connected to the pump. The Peltier module is attached using thermal adhesive for better heat transfer. This video demonstrates the proof of concept of our system in action. Final result. Heat captured by heater is converted to useful energy in the form of LED lights.